start, so buckle your seatbelt and secure all long hair and loose clothing. Riders, the gas pump base about. Go past the car next to you and stay side by side until the green flag drops. Do not exit until directed by a crew member. Drivers, we expect clean lanes to make violations of rules on the door vehicle performance and possible ejection from the racer boundary line. Maintain control of your race car measure with both hands on the steering wheel at all times. So, let's get racing. Are you ready? The green flag is out and you're Attention racers, we have an accident on the track and the red flag is out.
Stay in your car.
Your race cars have been deactivated. Repeat, there's a problem on the track forcing us to stop the race.
Stay in your car.
Do not attempt to pass the cars ahead of you or you will be penalized. You will be notified when the green flag is back out and the race resumes. Reduce your speed and stop now. That's right, stop now. Shut down, watch out for other cars and pit crew members.
Stay in your car.
If your car is involved in the accident, push the red button in front of the steering wheel to back your car up. The race will resume as soon as all cars are back. Stay seated while the other cars behind you enter the pit.